Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the world clock on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the clock app. Tap on the world clock option from the bottom left corner of your screen. To add a city, tap on the plus button at the top right corner. Search for the city you want to add. When you find the correct city, tap on it to add it to your world clock list. And this is how you can see the world clock on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.